All right. Let us start. Okay, let us start with our first experiment. Okay, I want you all to get your tub. I want you all to get your tub. Let me also set my table. I want you all to get your tub and you all have to fill it 3/4 with water. Okay, parents can assist or the children also can do. Let them have some fun.
Teacher, I have filled my bucket with water.
Very good. Okay. Ashni is already ready. Okay, let us be
Teacher.
ready too. Yes, yes.
Teacher,
Saili.
this is my
Yes.
water.
Okay, all right. Do you have a bigger one? Saili, do you have a bigger one, bigger jug? So that a little big
Yes,
things
I
fit in?
have.
Yes. Okay, okay. Can you use that, please? Yes, a little bigger one. Any container maybe? Yes. Okay, very good. Yes, any container also will do. Any container will also do. Yes, is everyone ready? Fill it 3/4 with water. All right. And you'll keep all the things ready. Okay, keep all the different things ready. Yes, you can use a container like this or a jug also with a little broader opening. Okay, so you can put things inside. Yes? Am I audible, sir? All right. Okay. So children, once everyone is ready, you'll have to show me your thumbs, okay? Keep all your things ready, like stone, like a plastic spoon and a steel spoon and a straw and a sponge and a coin and a key, pencil, pen, sharpener. Okay, keep all the things ready near y'all so that you can grab it when I say come on. Okay, everyone is being very obedient today and everyone are on mute. But I want someone to unmute and say, yes, teacher, because I can't hear anyone. I'm feeling sad.
Yes, teacher.
All right,
Yes,
all
teacher.
right. I just wanted to hear you all. Okay, okay. All right. Okay. Yes, yes. Very good. Okay, is everyone ready?
Ready.
Ready? Okay. Now children, we are going to learn about sink and float. Okay, we are going to learn about sink and float. Okay, now there are certain materials. Okay, what is this? What have we put inside, children? What have we put inside? Water. Okay, all right. So there are certain materials, okay, or certain objects which are heavier than water. Okay, that means the weight of those objects is more than water. And if it is more than water, what will happen? It will go down. It will sink down. Okay, it will sink down. And if it is lighter than water, the weight is very less, and it is lighter than water, it is less weight than water, it will float on top. Okay, it won't go down. It will float on top. All right. Yes, did you all understand? Yes, show me your thumbs. Okay. Now children, it is said that if you hear, you will forget. Okay, means if you only hear, if I just tell you that this sinks and this floats and this sinks and this floats, maybe in 10 to 20 days, you'll forget it, isn't it? Some of them will forget in 5 days also. Yes, if you hear, you forget. If you see, you remember. That means if I show you all here, or if I share a screen and I show you all a nice video, okay, or I myself do it here, and if I show you all will remember. Okay, whatever you all see, you all remember. But children, but if you all do it, if you all do it yourselves, you all will understand. Understood? If you all do it yourself, you all will understand also. So let's choose the last option, no? We both, okay, me here and you all here, one team will do it together, all right? And we are going to learn it together. You all are going to tell me what happens. I'm not going to tell. I'll tell only what happens here. You all have to do that and tell me what happens, okay?
Okay.
Yes, all right. And now listen, children, I'm going to tell you all one by one object. You'll have to put it in the water. Okay, keep one cloth, okay, children. Keep one cloth to wipe your hands. All right. Okay, you all are going to unmute and you all are going to say either float or you all are going to say sink. Okay. Yes, float or sink. All right. Parents, please do not help. Parents, please do not help. Let the children pick the objects, put it in water, let them enjoy, let them splash some water also. It is okay. All right. Okay. So my first object, okay, children, did you all understand? You'll have to unmute and you'll have to say float or you'll have to say sink. Okay? Yes, everyone is ready? Ready? All right. Okay. Okay. Now there will be certain objects which I don't have, but if you all have it, you'll have to try and tell me, okay, what happens? Okay. Then there will be some objects which you all have and I don't have it here. Okay, or I have and you don't have it, so it is fine. All right, we will try one by one. I'm taking my first object, a stone, a stone, a stone. Okay, and I'm putting it in water. What has happened?
Teacher.
Yes, yes.
Stone is sink. Sink.
Correct, correct. Even my stone has sank in. Very good. Sink. And why did this happen? Because stone is heavier than water. Yes, stone is heavier than water. Put it again and see. It's going down, right? Yes or no? It is going down.
The stone is sunk.
Yes, it is going down. Reyansh, welcome, Reyansh. Welcome, Reyansh. Welcome. Yeah, sir, can you contact Reyansh? Yes, Reyansh.
The stone is sink.
Yes, it is saying good morning and welcome. Welcome, Reyansh. Enjoy the session. Enjoy the session. All right. You all can either, children, you all can either remove the stone and keep it out or you all can keep it in only. Okay. If you all have a big container, let it be inside. Okay. I'm going to remove it out. I'm going to remove it out. I'm going to remove it out. Next, everyone get a steel spoon. Steel spoon and a plastic spoon. Yes. Yes. Huh?
Teacher, you are muted.
All right, children. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So get a steel spoon and get a plastic spoon. Get a steel spoon and plastic spoon. Okay. Let us put the steel spoon first inside. Let us see what is happening. What is happening? Sink. Even mine has gone inside. Okay.
Sink.
Yes, sink. Let's try a plastic spoon. Let's try a plastic spoon. I think it is very light and it is in fact lighter than water. Steel spoon is sinking and plastic spoon is floating, isn't it? Wow. See, I can see plastic
spoon is not
spoons
going inside.
floating. Yes, very good. The plastic spoon is not going inside. Why? Because it is very light. The weight is very light and it is lighter than water. Okay, so nothing is pulling it down. But if it is heavier than water, okay, there is one force which pulls it down and it goes inside. All right, is it clear? Yes, I'm going to remove both the spoons. I'm going to remove both my spoons and my hands are wet now. Yes, everyone remove the spoons. Let's go to the next one. Okay, I have a key. I have a key. Do you all have keys? Anyone has keys? Come on.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, everyone has keys. Okay, can we just put it inside and see what is happening? It's gone inside. Mine is gone inside. Good job. Good job. All right. Next, I have a straw. I have a plastic straw. Children, I have a plastic straw. So I'm going to see what happens to my plastic straw. Mine is floating. Float. Correct. Now, children, listen carefully. So how is it? Okay, so everyone be on mute. Because if everyone's mic is on, children, my voice starts echoing and you all won't be able to hear properly. Okay, what you all do is when you all just want to tell me something, if you all want to scream, float or sing, you'll do it and immediately you all mute yourselves again. All right. Now, children, if you all have a paper straw, okay, and if you all are using a paper straw, what could happen? Okay, the water could absorb. Okay, in that paper straw, it could be heavy and then it can sink. Anyone is having a paper straw here? I am having a plastic one. I didn't have a paper one. I had a plastic one and I'm using a plastic one and it is floating.
Even I have a plastic one.
Okay, plastic. Okay, all right. Okay. Next, I will take one pen and I will take one pencil. Anything can happen. Okay, I don't know now which one is heavy, which one is lighter than water. I'm going to put both together. See what I'm doing. I'm just dropping one pencil and one pen. Both are floating. My pencil and my pen both are floating. If you all have a very heavy pen, it's going to go down. My pen is super light. And both the pencil and the pen are floating. What about y'all? What is happening?
Floating.
Floating.
The pen is floating.
Good job.
Floating. The pen is floating.
All right. Anyone? Okay. Anyone has a heavy pen, like a heavy pen, which when you put inside it went down. Anyone? Anyone has a very heavy pen, which when you put inside the water, it went down. No, everyone's is floating. All right, I'm removing my things, children, because there are two things here. Okay, someone has. Who said that?
What the
Floating. All right, children, do you all have a sponge? Do you all have a sponge or a sponge ball or a sponge block or a thermocol? I have a thermocol. I didn't have sponge. Someone's pen is sinking. Who's this? I cannot figure out. Yes, who is this?
Avril. I have sponge.
Avril, okay, Avril's pen is sinking. I think it is a very heavy pen. Okay, good job. Avril's pen is sinking. Okay, I'm trying a thermocol, children. I will tell you what is happening. You all tell me what is happening with you all. What is Arohi showing? Arohi is showing one boat. What is it? Arohi, what is that? Okay, all right. Okay, everyone put, I'm using a thermocol. I'll tell you what is happening with my thermocol. Sponge is floating. Sponge is floating. Okay, even my thermocol is floating. My thermocol is floating. Good job, children. Very good. Floating. All right. Do you all have a coin? Do you all have a coin? Do you all have a coin? Coin. Try a coin. Please try a coin and tell me. Try a coin. Okay, I tried a coin, children. It just went down immediately. It went down to the bottom of the container. What about y'all? Are you trying with a coin? It's sinking, no?
Teacher one is sinking or floating?
Good job, good job.
Priyansh,
All
one
right, all right.
floating,
Very good. Now let me say your answers. I have to mute. Say your answers and mute. I can hear everyone, okay, children? All right. Now I have one sharpener here. I found one sharpener here. I'm sure you all will be having one sharpener. Can you all try that? My sharpener, children, went down very slowly, but it went down. But very slowly, it didn't go. It took some time and it went down. What about you? What about you? Yes, I will take Mira. Yes, Mira, what is happening to your sharpener? Can you tell me?
It's gone down.
It's gone down. It's gone down. All right. Very nice. Jennifer,
Sharpener is sinking or
Jennifer,
floating?
can you tell me? Jennifer, what is happening to your sharpener? Jennifer,
Sharpener is sinking or floating?
sharpener is floating. All right, my
Sharpener is
Oh,
see like this. My
my
sharpener is
went down. Sinking.
because it is heavy.
This heavy.
Yes. What is happening to the sharpener? Mine has gone down. It stands down.
I also gone down.
Yes, one by one. Ahana, yes, Ahana, what are you saying?
Children,
Ahana,
give
can
your
you unmute
answers
yourself?
and mute yourself. Give your answers and mute yourself.
What is Ahana saying? Yes, Ahana. Ahana Kadam, what were you saying? Go down, no? Yes, even mine went down. All right. Okay. Yes, Arohi, yes. What are you saying? Yes, I cannot hear.
And if I don't drop it, it's pressure.
All right, okay. Okay, Arohi has discovered something. All right. Okay. Now children, do you all have a rubber? Do you all have a rubber, eraser, rubber? Try a rubber. Yes. Try a rubber and try a ruler also. Come on and tell me what is happening. Anyone? Mute everyone. Mute, I will ask you. Mute children, mute. Mute everyone. Mute. All right.
It is sinking.
Yes. Suchita. Suchita.
Have
Yes, did you try? Did you try with the rubber?
Yes.
Suchita. Suchita Naik. Did you try with the rubber? Can you unmute yourself? Did you try with the rubber? What has happened? Yes, Suchita, did you try with the rubber? Is it floating or is it sinking?
Sink. Mine also sinking.
Okay, all right.
Sinking.
Average, all
Why
right.
it is
Okay.
sinking?
Because heavy.
It is heavy.
Very good. Heavier than water. Okay. Whatever we are using here is water. So whatever is heavier than water, it will go down. Whatever is lighter than water, it will float. Now children, parents, please note, parents, all parents, adults, please listen to me. Okay, if possible for y'all, if y'all can make a paper boat for them very fast. Okay, we were taught when we were young, we were taught to make paper boats in 2 minutes. If y'all can make it and just hand it over to them, paper boat. Okay, if y'all can just make paper boats for them. If not, then just use a newspaper sheet and just try. Okay, whether it's going to float or it's going to sink. All right, I have both. I'm going to try both and tell you. Yes, all parents try to make a paper boat, a normal paper boat, which we would do when we were young and we would play in water. Just try to make it for them and give it to them and let them try it in water, please. If not, you all don't have any adult with you all currently, you all can use any piece of newspaper and let us try. It can show different results. Children, let us see what happens. Even I have not tried this. Come on. Oh, no, mine is gallery. I wish to see everyone. Okay. Bushra. Yes, Bushra, what are you all doing? Do you all have a boat? Hi. Do you all have a boat or you all are using a piece of paper? Tell me. Piece of paper?
It's
Yes,
floating.
Bushra.
Teacher.
Okay, what did you try? Yes, did you try a boat or did you try a piece of paper? Bushra, only Bushra answer. Floating. Did you try a boat? Do you have a boat? Paper boat? Yes? All right, okay. Yes. All right. Let me know who all have made boats. So then we can all put them together. Okay. Even I have not tried it yet. I'm just keeping it in my hand. Ahana Kadam is trying. Is already ready. Yes, Ahana, me and you will try together. Can we try it together? Ahana, can we put our boat inside? I'm putting it 1, 2, and 3. It's floating. Yes. It is floating. Even my paper boat is floating. All right. Who else has tried? Come on. Who else has tried? Anyone else is making a boat? Now, if anyone is trying with a simple piece of paper, let us see what is happening. I'm dropping this piece of paper inside. Children, my piece of paper is slowly getting wet. Now I don't know whether it's going to be heavy and go down. Let's see. Yes.
My paper boat is floating.
Floating now? Yes, good job. Very good. Very good.
See?
Paper boat is floating.
Boat.
Very nice. Anyone else with paper boat? Okay, Riyansh is playing with the paper boat. Good job.
My boat is
See, my boat is
sinking or floating?
sinking.
Floating. See.
Floating. See.
Yes, very good. Anyone else? Anyone else is doing a boat? Everyone try it?
Teacher, my boat is floating.
Floating. Good job. Good
Yes.
job.
Yes.
Very good. Good job, children.
Teacher, my boat is floating.
Very nice. Prabha, very nice.
Teacher, my boat is sinking.
Someone's boat is sinking.
The paper is sinking.
Yes, Nikita. Is your boat floating? Floating? No. All right, very nice. Good job, children. Good job, very nice.
Paper piece of paper.
Piece of paper.
Whoever is using a piece of paper, okay, who don't have boats, who's using a piece of paper, I'm telling you what has happened to my paper. I put it inside, children, I put it inside. What is happening is, it is absorbing all water. Okay, first it was floating. First it was on top only. Then slowly it is absorbing water. Okay, and maybe it's getting heavier and slowly it is going down. You know what happens, children? There are some materials which have small holes which we cannot see. Okay, like tissue, sponges, they have small holes, and newspapers also. Okay, now what is happening? The water is going inside the paper and it is getting heavy and slowly it is going down. Now also it is partially on top and partially it is going down. But the paper boat, children, okay, it becomes, what happens? Only this part is getting in contact with water, correct? It's not a whole paper, only this part of the boat. So that's why it is floating. All right. Okay. Yes, did you all enjoy this? Everyone clap for yourselves. Good job. Okay. So let us keep all these things at the side and let us move to the second experiment. Okay. Keep all the things at the side. Wipe your hands. Wet hands. Yes, I'm giving you all 2 minutes. I will also be ready. Come on, children. Remove all the things.
Teacher,
Oh, yes, yes.
what about the sugar and salt and turmeric powder?
Okay, Arohi is getting excited and we are coming with all that now in our second experiment. Come on. Okay. So what you are going to do now is you are going to take those 5 glasses, which I told you, those 5 glasses, and you fill it 3/4 with water. Cover it 3/4 with water. And you'll have to use transparent glasses, children, because you'll have to see through. Okay. 5 glasses.
What we should do, teacher?
Yes, we should arrange these 5 glasses. If you all can see on the screen. Am I on spotlight, sir? Okay. These 5 transparent glasses I have kept. I have put 3/4 of water inside.
We have to put drinking water.
No, any water. Any water. Okay. Nice question, Ashni. I like your question. Not drinking water, any water. All right. Okay. And after this, you'll have to get the materials which I told you, one is sugar, one is salt, one is turmeric powder, one is mud with some small stones, and one is any grains or pulses. Okay? And you have to have, yes.
I forgot to bring mud with stones.
It's okay. You have so many friends here. You have me also. I'm going to tell you what happens, all right? We are going to learn from each other, no problem. Just get the materials, get spoons. You can get 5 spoons, 5 different spoons for 5 glasses. I'll start in 1 minute. Yes, everyone is ready?
Teacher.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
All right, okay. We will start. Okay, all right. So what we are learning today, everyone on mute, okay? Everyone on mute, please. Everyone on mute. Okay. What we are learning today is solubility in water. What is solubility? Okay. If any material goes inside completely in water, that it disappears. Okay, that you cannot see it once it is put in water. That means it is completely soluble in water. If you can see it, even if you put it in water, if you can still see it like this, that means it is not soluble in water. Sometimes what happens, children? Some part of it is soluble, some part goes in water. Okay, and some part remains. So let's see what exactly happens. We will see and learn. Okay, we are going to do it and we are going to learn it. All right. So let us take sugar. Okay, we have to put only 1 teaspoon of sugar, very less. Okay, and then you take a big spoon to stir it. Pour it only in the first glass. You have granulated sugar. Everyone feel the sugar first. Children, before pouring it, feel the sugar. Touch it. Feel it. You can put one in your mouth also. Okay, all right. Okay, put it inside the first one. And stir. Stir. I'm also stirring here. I can still see the sugar. Let me try stirring it more and more. Slowly it is becoming less. I think it is disappearing. Slowly it's becoming less. Keep stirring.
Yes, it's disappearing.
It's going, no, it's going. It is completely going in water.
Disappearing.
Yes, it is complete. And disappeared. I can't even see the granules at all now. Completely disappeared. That means, children, sugar. Yes, that means sugar is soluble in water. Sugar is Soluble in water. What happens, children? This water breaks down the sugar into small particles and it takes it inside and it becomes one solution. Okay. It goes completely inside the water. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay.
Teacher, I got mud.
Yes, very good. All right. Good job. Good job. Ashmi. Good job. All right. Next, let's try salt. Next, let's try salt. Before that, feel the salt. Feel it, how it feels. Feel the salt. What is the color of salt? Is it orange?
White.
Oh, it is white. All right. All right. Salt is white. Okay, teacher didn't know this. All right. Salt is white. Feel it, huh? Feel it with your fingers first. And you all can also taste it. Just the way you all tasted sugar. I don't think so anyone will taste it now because it is salt. Oh, Ashni is tasting. And she made a face also. All right. Ashni is tasting. Oh, God. Saili, did you taste? Saili, oh, God. I'm not going to taste. I hate it. I'm not going to do it. All right. Okay. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt inside. Let me see if this disappears. So I can hear my voice. Okay, let us stir. Let's stir and stir. Come on. Huh? Stir and stir. I think my salt has immediately disappeared. Yeah? Can. Immediately disappeared. What about y'all? My salt has immediately disappeared. I didn't even have to stir it for long. What is happening with y'all? Come on, someone unmute and tell me. Bushra, Saili, come on, tell me what's happening to your salt. Wait a minute, sir. We'll help you all to unmute. 1 minute. Disappear.
Yes.
Disappear, no? Yes. Good job. It disappeared. All right. I'm going to the third one. I'm taking turmeric. What color is turmeric? My turmeric is yellow, orange. What color is your turmeric?
Yellow color.
Okay. Take the third glass, okay? Third glass. Keep the first two at the side. Keep the first two at the side so that you don't get confused. Take the third one and put a little.
The water is yellow.
Okay, I have not tried it yet. Okay. Let me try. All right, beautiful. Wow. It's going inside. Just see without stirring. Don't stir, children. Wait, don't stir. Just see on its own. It's going down. Wow, it's looking really nice. Very nice. It is dispersing in water. Okay, it is dispersing. All right. Yellow color, no? It's like rasna.
Yellow.
Stir and stir.
Yellow color.
Okay, children, listen to me. We don't say that turmeric is completely soluble in water. No. Okay. It is partially soluble because if you all minutely see, open your eyes properly and see, you all can see small particles inside. I can see it is not completely gone. I can see some particles inside, yellow particles. Can you all see it? Check it out properly. Stop stirring and check it out properly. There are small particles inside. Thumbs up and tell me If you all can see small dots inside, that means it is not completely soluble in water. Okay, but if you all put milk, no, children, if you all put milk, no, instead of water, then it goes completely inside the milk. Okay, now we'll not try. Now we'll not try. After the session, you all can try. All right, but in water, what happens? Some particles remain. At least I can see here. You all also say thumbs up, so that means you all also can see. All right, yellow in color. All right. Let us keep it at the side. Let us take the mud with some small stones. Come on. Mud with small stones. Mud with small stones. Spotlight Avnish, come on. Let me see. They are doing it without an adult. Let me see what they are doing. Spotlight Avnish, come on.
To put inside.
You all already tried? I didn't even do it. 1 minute. Please wait for me, children. Please wait for me. Yes, Avnish, are you doing it? Avnish, are you doing it? Avnish and his brother, they both are like, okay, he's showing a thumbs up. Good job. Are you doing it?
It become dirty water.
Ah, the water became dirty. Very good. And are the small stones going down? I hope you all have some small stones in the mud. I have not tried yet, children. I will try and tell you what is happening to mine.
What?
Oh, it's become brown. It's become brown. Yes. Okay, you have to feel the mud. Feel the mud. Feel it. Feel the texture. Feel the texture, children. Use your hands. Okay, enjoy the feel. Yes. Feel the stones if they are smooth or rough or pokey. Yes, feel the mud. See if you get brown color on your hand also. Okay, and you put it inside and then you stir it and stir it. Okay, my water has become brown. Everyone, show me your mud glasses like this. I want to see everyone.
See my glass. See my glass.
See Sarah's glasses.
Teacher, you are muted. You are muted.
No mud. I don't
Everyone show your brown glasses like this on the screen. Come on, only brown glasses. Handle it with care. Don't drop it, children. Very nice. Yeah. Everyone hold, okay? Hold. 1 minute. Yes, very good. Good job. Okay. All right. Children, something has gone down. The small stones have settled down. They sank inside. Just like the first experiment, how it went down. Okay, that's what has happened here. I have a brown layer down here. What is happening to your glasses? Can you all see and tell me? A dark brown layer is formed down. Yes or no? Thumbs up?
Yes.
Yeah, no? All right. So what do we say? This is also partially soluble because some of the mud, it goes in the water and the remaining big stones. Okay. The stones which are there, they come down. All right. And the last one. Okay. We are trying some grains. Yes, I have masoor with me. You all can use moong or chana dal or rice grains or wheat, anything. Come on. Feel it before you all pour. Feel it before you all pour. Feel the texture. My masoor is very smooth. I love the texture. It's very Yeah, what's your name? Yes, what's your name? You have not renamed yourself. I can read Toshiba, but I don't know your name. Yes? Cute little girl, what's your name? I can read it as Toshiba.
Shafa.
Yes, what's your name?
Joseph. Joseph. Shafa.
Shafan. Yes, hi. Okay, can you tell me, you put some grains inside and tell me what happens? Can you
Not
still
yet.
see it or is
No,
it
well.
disappearing? It's not soluble, no?
No,
Stir it and
no.
see.
Shafa.
Not dissolved.
No, no.
Stir it and see.
No.
My masoor is not soluble. It is not going only. I am
Not
stirring
dissolving
and stirring, and it is not going only. I can still see it.
You're not getting disappeared.
Yes, it is not getting dissolved only. It is not getting dissolved. What about y'all? What are y'all using? Anyone is using masoor like me? Anyone is using masoor like me?
I'm using moon. I'm using moon.
Okay, Adil is using moong. Okay, Adil is using moong. Okay, all right. Anyone else? Anyone else is using chana dal? Anyone is using kidney beans? Children, is it disappearing or you can still see it? You can still see it or is it gone?
You can see.
We can see, no? Correct. So it is not soluble. It is not soluble, all right?
see.
Okay, all right. Now everyone arrange your glasses nicely like this. See how teacher is arranging. Different colors. Wow. In a line, very nicely. Let the children do it. Nicely in a line, all 5. We had sugar first. Then we had salt. Then we had turmeric. Then we had mud with stones. And last we had grains or pulses. Yes, all 5 glasses. Yes, teacher Deepali's daughter. What's your name? Unmute her, unmute her.
Savi.
Savi. Yes. Okay. Which all things did you use? Can you tell me which was the first one? Which was the first one? Sugar? Sugar, no? Sugar. Second one was?
Salt.
Salt. Good job. Third one was?
Turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder. Fourth one was?
Mud.
Mud. And fifth one?
Not
Great.
Good job, Savi. I like it. Very good. All right. Did you all enjoy, children?
Yes.
Good job. I'm going to give you all 3 stars for doing this together with me. All these 3 stars for everyone. Good job, children. Okay, let us quickly keep all this at the side and let's do our last. That is the third experiment. Keep everything at the side. Slowly, don't drop the water. Take care of your laptops and cells. I'm giving you all 2 minutes. So you're also getting ready.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, how
Who's this?
your mud water became yellow?
Yes, who's asking this?
Avnish was asking.
Okay, the spotlight.
Every day, Mama's phone. Where?
Yes, Avnish, what are you asking? Can you tell me?
Teacher, how your mud water became yellow?
Mud water has become yellow. Whose mud water has become yellow?
Teacher, yours.
Mine? Oh my God. No, it looks on the screen, it is brown in color. Over the screen, it looks a little yellow, but it is brown in color. I'm going to click a photo and send you, Avnish. Avnish, I'm going to click a photo and send you. It is light brown. Okay. Okay, it is not yellow, it is light brown, but over the screen, children, it appears like that. All right. Okay. Avnish, all right. Okay, let us move to the last one. You all need a glass, a long glass, a long clear glass. There shouldn't be any flowers or there shouldn't be any markings here. A round, long glass.
Come on.
Keep all the things at the side, okay? So that, yes. Arohi, what did you show me? Arohi? Huh? Have you put water inside?
Yes, I used it. I used it for the salt and.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay, everyone. I'm on spotlight, right? Okay.
Put little water.
I want you all to just keep the things ready, okay? And then I will tell you all what to do, okay? Just keep one glass ready, one A4 size sheet of paper ready, a marker ready, black marker. If you don't have a black marker, you have a red marker, you can keep a red marker. If you don't have that, you use sketch pens. Just keep it ready and then you are going to only observe first and then do it, all right?
Wait, I will keep it in that. Keep it in that. I will keep it on that. All the water is coming. Wait, they are telling what to do. It can't be.
You'll have to tell me once you all are ready. I'm starting in 1 minute.
Teacher, what we need? A4
Yes.
size of paper and marker.
Yes, and we need a glass. We need a long, clear glass. Yeah, okay. Try to get a glass, a long glass. Ashni, if you have, try to get a long glass, a
Teacher,
little long. And try to get a straight glass, children. Okay, avoid the curves, avoid curvy glasses. Try to get a straight glass like this. Try to get a straight glass like this.
teacher, is this okay?
Is it curvy? Arohi, is it curvy? Is it like big on top and small down? Is it like that?
Yes, kind of.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's try and see if it works. But if you all have a flat like this, flat, okay, no curves, a straight glass, it would be better, children. Is she saying something? Okay, good job, all right. Okay, everyone, keep your materials at the side and only look at what teacher is doing. Everyone can see me? Thumbs up, okay? Now we have a glass here, empty glass. There's nothing inside. Everyone keep your materials at the side. Everyone keep your materials at the side. Just look at me now. Only look at me now. Then I will tell you all what to do. If you all don't have straight glasses, okay, if you have a little curvy also, just try. Let's try how it works. All right. So everyone look on the screen. Can you all see this arrow, children? Can everyone see the arrow? Show me a thumbs up. Yeah, one. Everyone can see the arrow. Yes, very good. Now you'll have to remember the direction of the arrow. Yes.
What are you going to do?
Yes, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you. You'll just look at the arrow now. Okay, it is going this side, correct? Yes? Okay, whatever you all can see, you'll have to remember. Okay, make a thumb and keep it. Make a thumb. See how I've kept? Wherever the arrow is, I'm doing this and I'm keeping. Okay? And now I'm going to pour some water. Okay, and let me see what happens. What has happened? What has happened? The direction of the arrow has changed. Yes or no? Yes? Magic? Let's see what is happening. What is this? Which side is it going?
Like that.
And you see it through water. What is happening? Correct? So children, what is happening is, everyone look on the screen. Okay? Light travels in a straight line. Okay? Okay? The light which comes out from our eyes, okay, you all are seeing it like this, correct? Okay, the light which comes out from our eyes is traveling through air. This is air, right? Then it is entering water, correct? And then it is reaching the image, this arrow. Okay, so when light travels through different mediums, okay, like one is air and one is water, what happens? So light bends. Okay, when light travels from one medium is what? Air, to water. Okay, it bends and hence the image becomes inverted. All right. Yes, and this is called refraction of light. What is called? Refraction of light. The bending of light, children. The bending of light. Okay, when it travels from one medium to another, is called refraction of light. All right. All right. I want everyone to take a page, draw an arrow like this, draw a fat arrow like this. Fat arrow, very good. Arrow is showing me. Okay, all right. Everyone draw a fat arrow like this. You can make this also very broad, Arohi. You can make this part also very broad. You can use your sketch pen or a marker. All right. And you can see it through the glass first and then slowly pour water inside and see if the direction changes and tell me, come on, children. Try doing it. Yes, very good, very good. I can see everyone doing. Come on. See it through the glass and pour water inside. Arohi, you need not show me. Okay, you see it for yourself first. Okay, you need not show it to the screen, child. You can see it for yourself. Okay, you be very comfortable. Everyone be very comfortable. Do it for yourself. Children, you all observe it. I can see everyone trying. Okay, you all need not show me, children. Yes, very good. You all can do it for yourself. You all don't have to adjust it. This side, I can see everyone doing. You'll do it however it is comfortable for you all. And just tell me if your arrow changes direction. Is it happening? You have to show me a thumb. Okay, yes, Jordan and Lenya are saying yes. Okay, good job. Good job. Very good. Yes. Who else? Who else? Stain is doing? He's pouring water. Very good. Very good. Very good. Shaishta. Shaishta. Yes. Have you done? Shaishta. Have you done? Yes. Did your arrow change direction? Did your arrow change direction? Yes or no? Is it working? Is the magic working? Are you all trying it? I think you are still trying it.
I am Bushra.
Not Shaista.
No, Shaista.
No, not Shaishta, you're Bushra. Okay, I can read Shaishta here and I said, Shaishta, I'm sorry. All right. So did you try the arrow? Did you try with the arrow? Bushra, did you try with the arrow?
Teacher, my arrow is changed.
It's the same. Whose arrow is the same? Whose arrow is the same? Is it Bushra? See, children, you have to see it properly through the glass, yes, through the water. Try it properly. Keep it at a distance. Please keep it at a distance. You can't keep it so close. You have to keep it at a distance. Keep it at a distance. Yes, Bushra, keep it at a distance and observe. If it's too close, it is difficult. Okay. All right, everyone has done. Everyone has done. Show me a thumbs up whose directions have changed. Okay, good job. Good job. Yes, yes. Maisel is saying something, I think.
I told you to make small and
Yes.
much.
All right. Okay, children. Children, next. Okay. See what I've drawn. See what I've drawn. I have drawn two rectangles like this, two rods like this. One is pink and one is green. You all can use any of your two favorite colors and make fat rods like this. Lines like this, fat ones, any favorite colors but different colors. Okay, both can't be same, different colors. Make a big drawing like this, two lines, two colors. Let me see what happens. Children, look on the screen. Look on the screen for the magic. Okay, pink is this side and green is this side. Everyone can see?
Hey, do fast.
Pink is this side and green is this side. Let us see through the water what you can see. Has it reversed? Pink has come this side, right? See this and see this and see this and see this. All right. Try this. Come on. Draw two colored lines. Fat, broad colored lines, and then look like this, and then slowly put it in water. What is happening is light is bending, children, okay, which is called a refraction of light, and then the right becomes left and the left becomes right. All right. Everyone try this.
Give me scale, Mama.
Try it and tell me if it's working.
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
it's working, right? Yes, it is changing, right?
Yes.
Yes, one color becomes the other color. Correct, when you put it in water. Yes, very good. Good job, good job. Yes, Arohi. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, I can see it. I can see it.
Yeah.
Yes, Reyansh, are you doing it? Yes, did you try it? Reyansh is coloring. Very good. Color, color. You can use dark sketch pens also.
Yeah. Yes, teacher, it is changing.
Changing, no? Very good. Good job. Yes, Nikita. Nikita, can you show me? Yes, very good. Very good. I can see green color, green and red, I think. Okay, what is happening? Is it changing? Nikita, is it changing?
Green, orange.
Nitika, is it changing? The colors are changing? Yes, all right. Yes, I can see. I can see it. Very good. Good job. Good job. See it for yourself, child, first, and then you can show it to me. Okay? You have to see it first, and then you can show it. All right, everyone is done?
Yes.
Everyone is seen through the water. All right. Now, children.
Teacher.
Okay, good job. Children, tell me what you all can see now, okay? What can you all see now?
Fish.
Can you all see this fish? Okay, and which side is it
I'm
going?
having Zumba.
Yes, we are having. Yes. Someone is asking about Zumba. Yes, we are having. All right. So the fish is going this side, right? The fish is going this side. Let us put it in the water. What is happening? Yes, it's going the other side, right? It's going the other side. All right. Yes, let's see. I have an alligator here. I have an alligator.
You can
I
see
have an
inside, you see?
alligator. Which side is it going? Which side is the alligator going?
Going this side.
Okay. Yeah. Let me see what happens when it goes in the water.
You can see?
Changing
Yes.
the direction. Yes, very good. We have last one, dog. So if you all have any images with you all at home, you all can try it. Okay, then I have a dog. Which side is the dog seeing?
This side. Tomorrow
Let's
bring
see what happens
sticker.
now.
Now it's on this side.
Correct?
So
So this
Yeah.
happens because of bending of light, children. If you all have any small images, you all can see it across. You all can see it through the water and try it.
No, what's it? See.
Not expecting for small children.
Only I
Yes,
can use it.
everyone understood this? Everyone understood?
Yes.
Did you all enjoy it? Did you all enjoy it?
Yes, we enjoyed it.
Very good. I want you all to give me a nice smile if you all have enjoyed it.
You also. He sit here.
All right, such beautiful smiles. Okay, good job, children. Okay, everyone clap for yourselves now for doing all these 3 experiments so well. And what do we say? What do we say? What do we say?
Good job.
What is
Good
it?
job.
Good job, good job. And we say good job, good job. All right, very good, children. Okay, so tomorrow, okay, is what is it tomorrow?
Monday.
Let's get messy. Yes, okay. So for that, all parents, please note, all parents, please note, we will be sharing one reference image of a scenery. Okay, so they have to draw this. It did not be exactly the same. It need not be exactly the same. You can change it a little. It is just a reference image. You'll have to draw the picture and keep it ready. Yes, you all can draw or print, however convenient it is for you all. Okay, so you'll have to keep the drawing ready. All right, so that we can start with the painting during the session. All right. Yes, teacher Vrinka will be taking tomorrow. All right, children. So the image will be shared in the group. The image will be shared in the group, the Happy Hours group. So you'll have to quickly draw it and keep it ready for tomorrow. Okay, children, and I want to tell you all something. Everyone is listening? Everyone is listening?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now, okay, now on the screen, children, okay, there are so many of you all, correct? There are how many? 26 of my friends. Yes, so sometimes children, teacher cannot hear everyone and teacher cannot respond to everyone, okay? Yes, so you all shouldn't feel bad, all right? Yes, yes, it becomes difficult for the teacher to talk to everyone because I can see so many of you all on the screen. So I get confused who is speaking, how to talk to this, okay? So you all shouldn't feel bad, all right, if I'm not responding to you all. All right, I can listen to everyone, okay, but it becomes difficult to talk to all of you all. I would love to talk to everyone, but it becomes difficult, all right? Do you all understand me?
Yes, yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. It is same with all the teachers. It is same with all the teachers. So you'll have to try to understand. All right.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And now, do you all want Zumba?
Yes.
You all want? Okay. Over to teacher Daring Dipali. Teacher Dipali.
Yeah, keep it.
All right.
Go.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, ma'am.
Oh, listen, everyone, listen. Before is everybody listening? Is everybody listening? Okay, before we could start, just mute yourself and get a water bottle. Get a water bottle. Okay?
Don't even dance. They like this and you are doing that. That's why I'm doing like Thank you.
Hi.
Go dance, go dance. Go dance, hi. Go dance, she dancing now.
Okay, just tell me something. If everyone is ready. Good, good. Good. Okay. Just tell me if video is clear, visible to you all.
Yes.
This is it.
Yes.
Okay, now we will check the audio. All right.
Yes.
I know you think about it every day. How can I say no to that pretty face?
Audio is clear.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start.
Yes.
I want to see everyone a happy
Yes.
faces like this. No sad faces. Very nice. Rayansh, come on. Rayansh, come on. You can dance with me. Come on, Rayansh. Yeah. Baby, come on. Get up. Yes, get up. And be ready. Yes, come on, dance with me. Wow, Jordan and Vania. He's all dancing. Nice. All right. Prabhav. Ready? Yes. Start. Okay?
Yes. I can't see.
You know
Who said I can't? What you can't? You can't see or can't hear?
Sarah is blocking me. Baba, boy, Sarah. Sarah was blocking me. She was going. Sarah was blocking me.
Chalo, let's start. Start.
run away. I know you think about it every day. How can I say to that pretty face? Baby, we can anyway.
Te juro como tú me gustas, no me gusta nada. Hace tanto tiempo que en mis sueños te buscaba. Quiero estar contigo cada madrugada y que me despierte con un beso tu mirada.
Baby, let's run away. Run away. Con la luna llena, solos en la arena. Run away. Soy un loco de mente que no le sale, será dominicana, colombiana, mi mexicana, latinoamericana, todo esto para los morros de dinero y como, pero yo en modo de silencio calladito que la como es que me trae. Ay, tú me tienes un viaje, sigue poniéndome high, y así me trae. Tú si me gusta, ahora te toca darme like, baby. Run away. Quiero quedarme contigo de la noche a la mañana. Quiero perderme tu mío como ese fin de semana. Desde el polo norte hasta el polo sur. That's right. Quiero recorrerte a
Si me dices que estás tan bonita, puedo darte lo que necesitas. Quédate conmigo conmigo. Leave it all behind just to be with you.
Dominicana, colombiana, y mexicana, latinoamericana. Let's run away. Let's run away with you. Daddy Yankee, Jonas. Run away, you run away. I know you. ¿Qué es lo que tú quieres? Reggaetón. Toma. Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami.
Voy para la fiesta, si se tarda estoy de apuro. A fuego toda la noche en la rumba, duro, duro. Papi, ven para acá, que te voy a hacer bailar. Y hasta abajo toda la noche en la pista vacilar.
Ya la abusadora como una batidora. Dale que tú puedes, dale que tú puedes. Dale abusadora que mi flow te emociona. Dale que tú puedes, dale que tú puedes. Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami. Baby girl, let me take you to my bed. Got a question for you, babe. Are you ready, mami? Okay.
¿Qué? Papi, yo no hablo inglés.
That's right, mami, let me explain.
Ey, tú sexy, ¿qué tú quieres conmigo? Estás equivocado, yo no soy tu bandida atrevida. Si eso quieres, va y lárgate. Mejor es que tú esperas turno, márchate.
Así me gusta, que sea agresiva. Menea, mami, que la noche está encima. Pa' la fiesta tú y yo, que te pare de los dos. Este puro reggaetón, bienvenida a mi show. Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami. Digo, mami. Es mi testigo, ya lo sé, también suelta. Quería reggaetón, pues toma. Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami, toma, 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 mami. Professor P. In the house. Zumba. That's right.
Lovely, 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 Kudal. Lovely. Very nice. Everyone doing very nicely. Okay, go for the water break. Come quickly, okay? Okay, shall we start? Shall we start? Wow. Okay. Come on, come on. Now the next song name is Gasolina. Okay? Gasolina.
Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Que se preparen que lo que viene es pa' que le dé duro. A mí yo sé que tú no te me vas a quitar duro. Lo que me gusta es que tú te dejas llevar duro. Todos los weekendes ella sale a vacilar duro. Mi gata no puede janguear porque ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Como le encanta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Le encanta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Ella prende la turbina, no discrimina, no se pierde en un país de marquesina. Se acicala hasta pa' la esquina, luce también que hasta la sombra le combina. Asesina, que domina, abre el carro con toda y cocina. Llega a su tanque de adrenalina. Cuando escucha el reggaetón en la cocina, ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Le encanta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Le encanta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Aquí yo somos los mejores, los peñadores. En la pista nos llaman los matadores. Hace que cualquiera se enamore cuando bailas al ritmo de los tambores. De todo para las gatas de dos colores, para las mayores, para las menores, para las que son más zorras que los cazadores, para las mujeres que no pagan sus motores. Tenemos que yo algo pendiente, tú me debes algo y lo sabes. Conmigo ella se pierde, no le rinde cuentas a nadie. Tenemos que yo algo pendiente, tú me debes algo y lo sabes. Conmigo ella se pierde, no le rinde cuentas a nadie. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Que se prepare que lo que viene es pa' que le dé duro. A mí yo sé que tú no te me vas a quitar duro. Lo que me gusta es que tú te dejas llevar duro. Todos los weekendes ella sale a vacilar duro. Mi gata no puede janguear porque ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Le encanta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Le encanta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina.
Nice. Very well done. Very well done. Loved it? Loved it? If yes, then thumbs up. If no, then thumbs down. Very nice. Nitika loved it. If you liked it, then show me thumbs up. Okay. Very nice. Very good. All right. We will go for the next song. Okay. So can we go for the Jingar song? Jingar? Yes. Okay. So we will go for the Jingar song. Okay.
Bye. धड़क तुम धड़कन बोले जब तू छत्ते आए मैं लड़क तुझसे मन मंदिर में जिंगल बेल हो जाए तुम धड़क तुम धड़कन बोले जब तू छत्ते आए मैंने लड़क तुझसे मन मंदिर में जिंगल बेल हो जाए तेरा हसीन चेहरा आहा मेरे लबों से निकला वहा ढूंढ गूगल पे जाके मिलेगा मजनू मेरे जैसा कहा पूरी पलटन के साथ लेके बारात बलमा ये तेरा नाचे जिंग 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 नाचे जिंग 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 आया 10 किलोमीटर पैदल चलते मैं तेरी गली मुझको पानी भी मैं पूछा खुद मोटरसाइकिल पे चली तू सहेली के संग जाके रेस्टोरेंट में पिज्जा खाए धूप में बाहर बैठा बैठा मैं चुपका हूँ मूंगफली चली तेरी सवारी जहाँ संग चला मैं तेरे वहाँ मैं हूँ बेबी तेरा लगा हूँ पीछे तुम चलने की तरह चाहे जितना भी डांट छोड़े ना साथ बलमा ये तेरा नाचे जिंग 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 नाचे जिंग 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 भेजो मम्मी डैडी को घर तेरे लेके मेरा रिश्ता ओ शगुन में काजू पिस्ता चूड़ी कंगन में गुलदस्ता चाय बिस्कुट से मुंह मीठा करके शादी डन हो जाए ना मिलेगा तेरे घर वालों को दूल्हा इससे सस्ता बाकी तमाम रिश्ते हटा पतली गली से उनको कटा और सजा के मंडप तेरे बगल में गोरी मुझको बिठा तेरे हाथों में हाथ बन जाए बात बलमा ये तेरा नाचे जिंग 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 जिंग
Enjoy. Very good, Ashni. Wonderful. Kaya. Johnson. Okay, chalo, go for water break. Water break.
Arohi. So fun. So fun. Hi, Arohi. We'll talk afterwards on video call. Okay. Arohi, you can see me? Yes. Okay. So see, we will see both when dancing. Okay.
Okay, ready? Ready, everyone? Okay. Today we're gonna do a new song, specially on demand of Zoid sir. Okay? Are you all ready? Scream loudly and say yes. Unmute yourself.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
The room is on fire. Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. Yes. That is the dance.
Okay. Shall we go? All right. You will have to scream loudly, okay? Just listen to the song and sing it. All right?
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Everybody now, put your hands in the air. Come on, hands in the air. And we go left, right. Come on, left, right, left, right, left, right. Come on, left, right, left, right, left. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Come on. Left. Jump to the right. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Everybody. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Jump to the left. Jump to the right. Now stop. And raise. Come on. Left. And roll. And roll. Come on. And raise. Everybody come. Follow the leader. 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 Repeat after me. You're repeating after me. Yeah.
Freeze. Freeze. I said freeze. Very nice, Johnson. Very good. Very good, Ahana. Neerav. Nice. Avnish, Blossom, Johnsy. Very nice, everyone. Liked it? If you liked it, we can repeat it tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, then say thank you to Johet sir. Say thank you. Thanks to him.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Deepali ma'am, for today's session and also playing my favorite track. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, children, for joining today. Today was a Sunday, and you all have sacrificed the Sunday. Sunday sleep is very important, I know. But thank you for joining us today. And tomorrow we will meet you for which days tomorrow? Let's get messy.
Let's get messy.
Yes, I think Arohi is the most excited of all, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, all right. So keep your resources ready. Teacher Anisha has informed to keep the scenery picture ready. So do that, and we will see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.